Well, to say it's a backlog is an understatement. Harris County is behind on more than 100,000 criminal cases, and they're hoping to spend $2.5 million and bring in new judges to help with the backlog. We talked to a man who's been sounding the alarm about crime in Houston for months.
Andy, when you hear Harris County is behind 100,000 criminal cases, a backlog of 100,000 criminal cases. They have put $2.5 million in the pot to hire extra judges to address this. Do you think this will help with the crime problem we're seeing here in Harris County?
I think this is the start, the beginning of finally addressing what we've been saying at Crime Stoppers now for close to 2 years, that we've got to get our courts moving, we've got to get cases going. So the fact that we are going to have additional judges gives some of the victims that I work with some semblance of hope that their day in court will finally come.
Now, hearing that the county is now focused on this, is this only a piece of the puzzle in your mind with dealing with this surge in crime that we're seeing in the Houston area and Harris County?
It's part of the equation. We've got to get these cases going. I've seen some of these cases going 3, 4, 5 years. The harsh reality is the longer someone is out on bond, particularly felony bond, the odds increase that someone will violate their conditions of bond and or will be charged with an additional crime. So the quicker we get these cases to trial, I think we're going to see some sort of crime reduction. But I think the big elephant in the room, again, deals with the issue of bond reform and why we so sorely need legislative intervention. I mean, you've covered in the last month, think about it, Isaiah, 2 big cases. One involving Zacchaeus Gaston, who's out on 7 felony bonds, now charged with the murder of 24-year-old Layla Steele and shooting her 1-year-old son, Zeus. 7 felony bonds? I mean, think about, we're doing on your news station every week a breaking bond segment involving some case in which defendants on multiple bonds end up being charged with additional crimes. We really have to get a grip on how many defendants are out on the street on multiple bonds who are then charged with additional crimes. Combined with what the actions today in Commissioner's Court, that'll get us in a step in the right direction. But obviously, we've got a long ways to go.
And of course, we were going to address a bond reform here in the state of Texas in the legislature, but during the special session, but with the Democrats holed up in D.C., that is in limbo for now. And of course, we'll continue to follow this issue.